Find the mass M and the center of mass x bar of a rod lying on the x-axis over the interval from 1 to 2, whose density is given by 2 plus 3x squared. To find the mass, you need to integrate the density. That will be the integral from 1 to 2 of 2 plus 3x squared dx, and that will equal 2x plus 3 over 3, which is 1, x cubed between 1 to 2. Substitute in the upper endpoint, and that will give you 4 plus 8 minus the lower endpoint, which is 2 plus 1, and that gives you 9. To find the center of mass, you need to recognize the formula or know the formula. X bar will be the moment about the origin, which is m sub o over the mass. And to find the moment about the origin, you need to integrate on your values x times the density, which is 2 plus 3x squared, divided by the mass, which we found to be 9 dx. I would pull out the constant, which is 1/9, integral from 1 to 2, multiply through by x, 2x plus 3x cubed dx. Finish the integration to find the center of mass to be 19 divided by 12.